Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to locate and how to create a Facebook page. Let's get started. So once you have a Facebook account open for you, the first thing you want to do is to head over and make sure you are logged in or you are switched into your main account. If I head over now to the top right of my screen and click on this icon right here, you want to head over and click on See All Profiles. Right here you can see I have two accounts attached to this Facebook right now. So here is my Facebook page. So if I head over and click on this right now I am logged in or switched into my Facebook page. If I head over here to this icon here and click on this, you would see here we have some options here. Usually this is where you should find the option to create a new Facebook page or to create a Facebook page. But if you don't find this option here, it means that you have not switched into your main account. So let's head over and switch back to our main account. So now once you're logged in or switched back into your main account, if you head over back to this option here and click on this, the menu tab, and I head over down, now you can see I have an option here that says page. So now I can select this, and now you can see at the left part of the screen it says create a page. So now you can head over and put in your information and then put in the pictures, and then that's how you can easily locate and create a Facebook page. Alright guys, that's how you can easily locate and create a Facebook page quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to leave the video a like, and if you enjoy videos like this or tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a great and wonderful day.